Local news for Friday the 8th of May. Work on Martinborough's manganese reduction plant has been continuing. Pressure testing and pipe disinfecting has been completed, and the tests have been taking place on the main valves so that to check whether they operate as they should ahead of needing to shut them off today so they can connect properly. And New Zealand's Champion of Cheese Awards have been announced, with Martinborough's company, The Drunken Nanny, named the Puhoi Valley Champion of Champions Boutique Cheese for their black tie. They also picked up an award for Sabutu Champion Farmhouse Cheese, with figures showing Kiwis enjoying more cheese during lockdown. And advice from local police wanting to visit the beach this weekend has been given. Generally, the idea is to stay as local as much as possible. So if you don't need to go to the beach, it's best to stay home. If you normally would go to the beach for activities like fishing or surfing before lockdown, then it's okay to go. However, if you're wanting to go and sit on the beach and read a book or go for a walk, then it's best to stay somewhere closer to home. Kia ora, for local news, I'm Brent Gare.